Hello everyone, got these buildings right here from the brand Moreart 164 scale dioramas, Lawson diorama and a McDonald's diorama, and now they've got something extra for it. It comes in a box like this one, officially licensed by Moreart. Oh, here we got some information, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Let's open the box. Okay, this looks very weird. I hope it's okay. We got an instruction manual. This is the instruction manual. Yeah, looks very simple. Well, let's open this up. Doesn't look like it's ready. Maybe you have to flip it inside out or something. I don't know. I don't think this is okay. No. I think something is wrong here. Yeah, something is definitely wrong here. This is just not right. What? Are you serious? There's supposed to be stones on it. I don't think this is okay. No, I think they made a mistake. This is not ready. Or is it? Do have... Okay, we can take this out. Yeah. We have an inside bathroom, living room. Okay, we're going to build it and see how it looks with all the accessories. So I got the air conditioning that goes right here. Yep. And I've got this. I have to place one right here, and we have to place one right here. We got the roof for on top, and you can even put some people inside. And I like this feature. So you can take the roof off very easy. You can place batteries inside, so you have light. And then you can place it on top of the building. And then you get a nice building, but I don't think it's ready. This is extra material or something. I guess so. Anyways, I got another one. Let's see if it's... Yeah, that's pretty much the same, I think. Yeah, same color. Maybe it's supposed to be like this. I'm going to find out. Just a moment. Okay, I show you a picture in the video of how it looks on the photo. Apparently, it looks like this, I guess. I'm going to send them a message, if it's okay. We will see. I never had any problem with Moreart, with products that it was not good. So I think it's supposed to be like this. Wood style. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Same interior. I ordered more of these buildings, so those will arrive a little bit later. Air conditioning. And for some flowers, I guess. 1, 2. There's also some tape, maybe to connect the buildings. Et voila. And we can place the roof on top. There we go. Oh. This is how you can create a nice scene. I have to wait till the other buildings arrive, and then I'll make a longer video so we can compare the buildings for on top. I'll be back. Yes, I'm back and the other top buildings arrived. So I was talking about that this looks a little bit like an unfinished product. Apparently I was wrong. It is what it is. Here I have another version. Let's open it up. Instruction manual, and I do this off camera. So here it is. Let's open it. Okay, so we have something that looks like bricks. Nah, not exactly. But it's a dark color. The back is just white. Got a battery compartment, but I have no batteries. Does this have a different interior? Oh, we also have some accessories. No, it got the same interior, and we got some protection in front of the window, and here you can see the LED lights. But today nobody is home because I have no batteries. There we go. Okay, let's put the air conditioning here on the side. Very easy fix. Oh, I think you have to use some glue. Yeah, that would be handy. This will fit and won't fall off. Pretty much same for this one. This, you need some glue for this one. Yeah, exactly. It's cool. You can take the roof off because then you can put some people inside. Do I have another one? Yes, I have another one. And later I will need some glue. Let's put this a little bit too clean. Also the same. Okay. There we go. Yep, same interior, all houses, same interior, so you can't argue about who has the best interior. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is a much better fit. You don't need any glue for this one. Would be cool if you had some vegetation for it. Okay, there we go. So now we got actually pretty big building. I like that. Put the air conditioning inside. No. Well, it's hanging a little bit. Back in a sec. I'm going to put some figures in the diorama. A tree, also important for me. Let's see what I can do. Here we got the result. Also found some batteries. We can have a look inside. There is nobody home, so we don't get any trouble with privacy. Did it very simple. Placed a tree, some figures, a phone booth, Heineken fridge. Yeah. Only downside, this is Moreart. This is also Moreart, but this diorama is thicker than this one, so it won't match. That's a little bit of a bummer. But still, these dioramas are very cool. They're not super expensive. They're not super big. They come with light. Very detailed. Check all the details inside. Did a video about these dioramas. And now they got a building for on top. How cool is that? Okay, thanks for watching. Have a very nice day. And I'll see you soon in a new diecast video. Bye.